Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You're starting this now. Open the QQ app and sign in. Make sure your new phone number can receive SMS because you'll need verification codes. Once logged in, go directly to Settings, then Account Security to find Phone Binding or Phone Number Change. Tap that option and follow the on-screen prompt to begin changing the bound number. Don't navigate away. You need the current verification method, handy in case QQ asks to confirm your identity before letting you add the new number. Once done with the initial screen, QQ will verify who you are. You may be asked to confirm using your current phone, email, or password. Complete that step promptly. Next, type the new phone number into the designated field and request the SMS code to be sent there. When codes arrive, enter them carefully. Sometimes QQ sends one code to the old number and one to the new number to prevent hijacking. After both codes are accepted, press Confirm to bind the new number to your account. You're nearly done. After confirmation, re-log into QQ to verify the new phone number is active in account security. Make sure your contact info shows the new number and scan connected devices for unexpected logins. If QQ rejects the change, wait a short interval then retry. Sometimes rate limits block repeated attempts. If problems persist, use QQ customer support or the identity verification flow. You may need to upload an ID or answer security questions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.